Hi, this is Mrs. Hannah, and I've got some friends here today to help us with our math homework. If my special guest, will you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Jaden.
Hi, I'm Emmett.
And Jaden and Emmett are here from Miss Tennant's class to help us with our homework. We're only going to look at question 1 and question 4. So if you've already done them, that's fine. You can check. Or if you're stuck, stick around and listen. Work these problems with us. Jaden's going to help me with number 1. In question number 1, it says Nicole reads 15 pages of her book each day. How many days will she need in order to finish her book if the book has 600 pages? Jaden, can you underline the question? Remember, this is just with your pencil. What are they asking us? Very good. We need to know how many days she's going to need to finish her book that has 600 pages in it. We're going to use our red to circle. Jaden, what do we need so we can figure out how many days? 600 pages, that's important. And what else? 15, yep. It's kind of hard to circle on this. Anything else? She reads 15 pages when?
Each day.
Each day. There you go. All right. So the first day she reads 15, the next day she reads 15. We want to know how many days it's going to take her. Is it going to take her more than 600 days to read her book?
No.
No. How do you know it's not going to take her more than 1,600? Or 600, excuse me.
Because there's only 6, because a page doesn't take a day.
Very good. That would be a page a day, but it's 15. How could we solve this? How could we do math?
600 divided by 15.
Oh, 600 divided by 15. I'm going to write that, and I'm going to have Jaden solve that for us. All right, Jaden. There's 600 divided by 15.
Okay.
What about 6? Remember, we look at the 6. Is that big enough?
No.
Very good.
And then 60 you cancel. That's 15 times 2.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Do it kind of small, but you can do it over here. Here you go.
It's not very small, but
That's all right.
50. That's pretty close. I don't think we can do times 3.
15 times 2, let's look. Wait, 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is...
Oh, 2. Sorry, people.
That's all right. Go ahead and fix it. Here's what we can do.
Where's the eraser?
Let's see.
Maybe it's the X.
We don't want to erase the whole thing. Let's see. Sometimes they used to give us an eraser. Let's just put a 3 over that. All right, we're still learning here. Okay. There we go. That's 30. All
I'm
right.
just gonna. Yeah,
All right.
beautiful.
Now, I know we can definitely, if we're looking at the
there's
number
the eraser.
60. Oh, there it is.
Hey, look, we found it. I found it.
Oh, now that all that shows is there. Whoops. All right. Thank you for standing by. We're having technical difficulties.
Oh.
Okay. So, Jane, what are we going to do? 15 times 2 is 30.
Now we do 600 minus. Wait, if we double that.
Let's double that. What's 30 doubled?
Oh wait, it's supposed to be an addition sign. Okay, now pencil. Plus 30 is 60.
Very good. So if we double the answer, we have to double what we
The
multiply.
number, so 15 times 4.
15 times 4. We're going to put a 4. Good. Now what?
And we do minus 60.
Very good.
0.
0. Now you got to bring down. Okay, this one's tricky. We didn't talk about this one in class. What do you think the answer is going to be? Would it be 4? Would 4 days make sense? Is it going to take her 4 days to read 600 pages? What do y'all think?
No.
Probably not.
No. In 4 days, what's 15 times 4?
60?
60.
60.
She'll
Let's
do
figure
60
60
pages.
days.
Well, excuse me. This right here, if you're looking, right here has 0. Okay? Now, we brought our 0 down. We still have to divide this number. If I have 0, have we divided every single number yet?
No.
We did the 6 and the 0. How many groups of 15 can I make with 0?
0.
0. I have to put that there. Do you see how the 6 we put an X, this 0 has a 4? There's nothing above this number to show we divided it. You still have to put that there. So Jaden, what number are we going to put there? That's right, 0. Put it there. 40. Does that make more sense, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. How many days is it going to take her?
40.
40. You can't leave that 0 just hanging by itself. And then you also have to think about reasonableness. Is it really reasonable that she would only take 4 days? No. Good job. Thank you, Jaden. All right, let's go to question number 4. Make sure you're moving to 4, and Emmett's going to help us with that one. All right, here we go. Emmett, there are 36 teams in a soccer league. Each team has an equal number of players. If there are 468 players in the league, how many players are on each team? What's our question?
How many players are on each team?
Very good. We've got to figure out how many players are on each team. All right, so there's 468 players in the league. You know, those of you that play soccer or football or cheerleading, you know that the league is like every group all together. So is one team going to have more than 468 players or less?
Less.
Less. That big league is divided. Oh, I said it. I know Emmett can figure this out. Let's use red, Emmett. What are we going to use? What are our clues to find out how many players are on each team?
So 36 teams.
Good.
And 468 players.
Very good. So in the whole league, there's 468 players. What are they doing to those players?
They're dividing the players into 36 teams.
Very good. And if you look here, it says each. There's our each word. They have an equal number, so they're putting the same number in there. All right. I'll write our problem for us, and then Emmett, I'm going to have you solve it. Will you remind me what the problem is?
468 players, or 468,
Okay.
divided by 36.
And you know what, Emmett? I didn't leave you any room to solve it, so I'm going to erase, and I'm going to rewrite it. We have 468, and we're going to divide that by 36 teams. All right, Emmett. Let's start here with the 3. With 4. If I have 4, can I make 36 groups?
No.
No, I can't. What should we do?
Put an X.
Okay. Good job. What about 46? Is that big enough to make a group of 36?
Yes.
How many can we make?
1.
Absolutely 1. 2 would be way too big, wouldn't it? I know just doubling that, I'm already in my 60s, if not higher. So let's do 1 group. Make sure you put your 1 up at the top so we know where we got that 36. There it is. All right. Okay. Can I make a group of 36 with that 10?
No.
No. What should I do?
Bring the 8 down.
Very good. We have to divide every single number. Will you go ahead and bring that down?
Yes.
Okay. Now can we do some dividing?
Yes.
All right. What should we try?
108 divided. Wait. 36 divided by 2.
Or how about, we want to know how many groups of 36. So one group of 36 would be 36. How many would two groups be? Why don't you can show your work over here? And let's see if we can figure that out. I know we can. Okay.
12. So 2's there. And then
2 times.
6.
And 1.
7.
Okay.
So 72.
72. We're getting closer. Do you think we could make another one?
Yes.
Let's try another 36. We could either add 36 to that, or we could erase and try times 3. Sure, go for it. Now, at home, we're not going to erase because we might need to come back and use that again, remember? We're going to do times 3, okay?
Oh, oops. Got to erase the 1.
There you go.
So then 6 times 3 is 18.
Yeah.
And then 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10.
Yes.
So 108.
Excellent. Well, what does that tell us?
That it has 0, so 3.
Yes, we're going to put the 3. Now, if we had room, we could subtract it, but I know Emmett knows 108 minus 108 is
0.
0. So do we have a remainder, Emmett?
No.
How many kiddos are going to be on each team?
13.
Excellent. Thank you, Emmett. You did a great job. All right, guys. I hope that this helped you. I know Jaden and Emmett helped me to understand some of these questions. Feel free to go back and play them at any time. And make sure, most of all, guys, when you get your answer, make sure it makes sense. Thank you, Jaden. Thank you, Emmett. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
See you tomorrow.